Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Learner Lab. Let's improve your English speaking and listening skills together. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Hello, Emma. I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Is this your first class here?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is very friendly here.
That's good to hear.
Where are you from, Daniel?
I'm from Brazil. What about you?
I'm from Australia.
Wow, Australia sounds interesting.
Yes, it's a beautiful country.
Do you live here now?
Yes, I moved here last year.
Oh, nice. Do you like the city?
Yes, I do. The people are kind.
I think so too.
What do you do for work?
I work in a hotel near downtown.
That sounds busy.
Yes, sometimes it is very busy.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
That's great. I work in a cafe.
Really? I love coffee shops.
Me too. I make coffee every day.
That sounds fun.
What do you like to do after work?
I usually watch movies or listen to music.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft rock.
Oh, I like pop music too.
Maybe we like the same singers.
Maybe. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy playing soccer on weekends.
That's cool. I like walking by the beach.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
I understand. Work can be stressful sometimes.
Very true. Do you have family here?
No, my family lives in Brazil.
Do you talk to them often?
Yes, I call them every weekend.
That's nice. Family is important.
Yes, they support me a lot.
How long have you studied English?
About 1 year. I still make mistakes.
That's okay. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I want to improve more.
Practice helps a lot.
Yes, that's why I joined this class.
Good idea. We can practice together.
Really? Thank you so much.
Of course. It will be fun.
I'm happy to hear that.
The teacher is coming now.
Okay, let's start the class.
Good luck today, Daniel.
Thanks, Emma. Good luck to you too.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's English lesson and learned something useful. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to English Learner Lab for more easy English lessons every week. Tell us in the comments, which English conversation do you want to learn next? Keep practicing, keep learning, and see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.